Here's a 2015 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. Features include V8 engine, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, voice activation, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive with traction control, rear camera, and driver and passenger front and seat-mounted airbags. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.